All right, this is an annoying one because we get it all the freaking time. This is for Windows users of NetDocs. When NetDocs is installed on a Windows computer, and almost every Windows computer has Chrome, the Chrome extension gets installed. What is the Chrome extension? It's this thing right here. This allows me, once I connect a website, so I have to connect a website once to intercept the upload or downloading of files. So there's no extra step. If you go to upload files and NetDocs pops, you go to download files and NetDocs pops. Why don't you see this? Okay. Option one, you just don't have it turned on here. Okay. So I have the Chrome extension, but I don't see it because I haven't thumbtacked it. And you got to enable it, and then you would probably have to thumbtack it. Option three is you just haven't never had it installed for some reason, and then I would Google the NetDocuments Chrome extension. All right, and then there's the store, and then you can download it there. I can't remove it because I can't add it because I have it already. So it would say add to Chrome. Mine says remove, and I don't want to remove it. If you're in Edge, you could also Google this and you can add the extension from Edge as well. So those are the reasons we see why the Chrome extension isn't there and some quick, easy ways to add it.